Look at that. Today we're making 4 incredible breakfast sandwiches and 1 surprise bonus. All at home, all from scratch. Well, mostly. And I'm going to tell you which one's absolutely worth your time. From a classic sausage muffin to a hot link hoagie, these are hearty, cheesy, eggy, glorious stacks of morning magic. And one of them blew the others away. Let's cook these up and I'll assemble them side by side and crown a winner. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Let's go. Let's start classic sausage, egg, and cheese muffin. I'm using a seasoned pork sausage. Press it out a bit thinner so it crisps up nicely. We're going to toast that muffin up so it's nice and crispy, and then we're going to butter it up. For the egg, I'm doing the McMuffin style. Cracked into a buttered ring mold. Soft yolk, fully set white. Assembly time. Bottom muffin, sausage, egg, American cheese, top muffin. Yeah! Next up, a little more indulgent. Ham, egg, and 2 cheese croissant. I'm using a buttery croissant, lightly toasted on the inside with some butter. For the cheese, we're going double. Gruyere and Asiago. A thick slice of rosemary ham, seared just enough to get crispy edges. Scrambled eggs cooked until light and fluffy. Just a sprinkling of chopped chives. This one is rich and melty, and that flaky croissant just makes it kind of feel fancy. Now let's get spicy. Hot link, egg, and American cheese on a hoagie roll. I sliced a smoked hot link lengthwise and browned it cut side down for max flavor. Scrambled egg with a little salt and pepper, cooked until it's light and fluffy. Soft hoagie roll, toasted on the inside. Stack that hot link. Now scrambled eggs, cheese. This one's got some heat. It's like the rebel of the bunch. Now we're going big. Fried chicken and egg on a biscuit. Buttermilk biscuit, warm and fluffy. This one's got cheddar and chive inside. I'm using a small buttermilk fried chicken thigh, boneless, skinless. Double dredge for that crispy crunch. Sunny side up egg. Let's get that assembled. Biscuit, chicken, egg. Biscuit top, boom. This one doesn't mess around. It's a breakfast bomb. And for the surprise bonus, bacon and cream cheese on a toasted bagel. Thick cut bacon, applewood smoked, crispy, but not overdone. I'm using a toasted sesame seed bagel for extra flavor. No egg on this one, just a generous smear of cream cheese, green onions, bacon. No egg? No problem. This one's all about texture. Crispy, creamy, and totally satisfying. All 4 plus bonus are done. Just take a look at this spread. Let's go one by one. I'll rate each on flavor, texture, and ease to make. First up, sausage muffin. Let's take a bite. Oh my God, that's way better than McDonald's. The egg is still running. Chewy, meaty sausage, spice flavor, and then that American cheese that just like glues it all together. And what you're left with is a great sandwich. Classic sausage, egg, cheese, muffin combo. It never fails. I'll give that an 8 out of 10 for flavor. For texture, I'm gonna give that an 8 out of 10. And for ease, I'm gonna give that 8 out of 10. Next up, we got our croissant. Let me slice this in half. So we've got Gruyere and Asiago melted on top, rosemary ham from a local meat maker, and then the egg with a little bit of chive. Probably the best ham, egg, and cheese I've ever tasted. This croissant is fresh. I just picked it up from the bakery this morning. So it's crunchy on the outside, and then I toasted the inside in butter. Everything's working together. Buttery, cheesy, flaky, savory. Scrambled eggs are perfect. Chive just is the right little herby hint. I'd say that for flavor, 9 out of 10. For texture, 8 out of 10. And for ease, 7 out of 10. What's next? Hoagie time. We're gonna cut that one too. Look at that. When I was a young man, I worked the graveyard shift. And so at the end of my shift, lunch truck would come like, I don't know, 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning. And we'd all rush out there and everyone was like, oh, you gotta try the hot link breakfast sandwich. And I'd never had it before. So I tried it and I was just like, this is amazing. I've never had this much spice in the morning for breakfast. So, That is good. It really brings back memories. Sure glad that I'm not working swing shift or graveyard shift anymore, but that flavor holds true. You got that suppleness of the roll on the inside. It's a little toasty. American cheese is melted perfectly. The egg is cooked perfectly. And then you get the meatiness of the hot link. But then after you're chewing a little bit, you get that pump of spice. Hot link hoagie, spicy and bold. Great for heat lovers. Flavor, it's a 9 out of 10. Texture, 8 out of 10. Now for ease, 7 out of 10. Next up, fried chicken and egg on a biscuit. Look at this monster. I'm gonna cut that in half to show you. You gotta see this. That fried egg is cooked perfectly. Look at that. You see the over easy egg in there? That looks tasty. Okay, here we go. Fried chicken for breakfast. So much goodness going on there. Got the cheddar and chive biscuit. You got that fried chicken that we seasoned really well. So it's got a little bit of flavor and spice. And then you got a little bit of the garlic and the paprika coming through and a little hit of the cayenne pepper. And then that egg. That yolk is so silky. It just adds a lot to it. That was the chicken biscuit. Hearty, crunchy, flavorful. An explosion of texture, flavor. 10 out of 10 for flavor. Texture, 10 out of 10. And ease to make, 6 out of 10. What's next? The surprise bonus, bacon bagel. Right, let's cut that in half. See that? Here we go. Looks something on my face. Bagel is on point. Sesame, because I like that extra flavor hit. And then I toasted it. We've got some good Philadelphia cream cheese on there. And then I put the chive in there. I want a little bit of herbiness. And then I've got thick cut applewood smoked bacon that I have baked in the oven. If you haven't tried that before, that is the ideal way to cook bacon. There's no mess except for in your baking pan, and the bacon comes out flat. It's not all bubbly and bent and curled. Bacon bagel with cream cheese. The sleeper hit. Let me know in the comments if you've had that one before. Flavor, 8 out of 10. Texture, 10 out of 10. And ease to make, 7 out of 10. Here we go. I'm gonna lay up the numbers. In 5th place, we have the sausage muffin. They're all amazing, but you gotta pick one, right? In 4th place, we have the croissant. In 3rd place, it is the hot link hoagie. Am I in breakfast sandwich heaven right now or what? How is this 3rd place? In 2nd place, the bacon bagel. And in 1st place, we have the fried chicken and fried egg sandwich. Please let me know if you agree with me or if you disagree with me. Let me know in the comment. And how about this? You tell me in the comments what's your favorite breakfast sandwich, and then I'll do a part 2 where I'll make your breakfast sandwiches and then I will compare them and rank them on another video. That's it for me. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like and subscribe. Please leave a comment down below. I'll see you later. I'm just gonna take, there's like one little bite lane here for this fried chicken sandwich. No, I was right. That's number 1. I'll see you next time. You take care. Bye.